Do you think that's a bottle or something? Huh? She got her ears pierced.
I have to tape these women. I bring Noah in and it makes me smile.
She got her little ears pierced.
Those are the clean ones.
Yeah, you having fun, Nolly?
She's a beautiful girl. You don't want that guy to fall on the floor. Look at those cheeks.
What do you think of those earrings?
I love them. You're such a beauty.
Hi.
What a little peapod you are.
So afraid.
Oh.
Look at her.
She's tired. She's a little tired. She didn't get much
Well,
of
if you
them.
do this with babies, they go nuts because they, look at they're working on.
Grab her, Kathleen. Check her out. What are you doing, Noah? It's like, I like all these women.
Oh, let's massage your back.
Oh.
Let's massage your back.
I climbed up a little.
Oh, yes. Oh, look at that girl. Look at that tummy.
Look at that little callus right there.
This is beautiful. You're a beautiful girl, and you can really grab hair. Huh? You can grab that hair with the best of them.
She's got the claws. Forget the hair. The claws are what'll get you.
Look at this.
You said beautiful girl, and who
Look
did
at
that?
it. It's not a puppy. Huh?
Oh,
That's not a puppy.
what do you think, Nolly? What do you think?
Oh, that necklace is a little fragile. Let's put that on.